Get ready to discover 15 fifth-wheel RVs that redefine what life on the road can look like. These impressive models bring together smart layouts, modern technology, premium comfort, and creative features designed for every type of traveler. Whether it's a luxury retreat, a spacious family adventure rig, or a versatile home away from home, each RV offers a unique approach to exploring new destinations. In this video, we'll explore some of the most eye-catching fifth wheels available, highlighting the designs and features that make them stand out in today's world of RV travel. Brinkley Model G3500 is a luxury fifth-wheel toy hauler designed for travelers who want spacious living and practical functionality in one impressive package. Measuring 40 feet 2 inches in length, it features an 11-foot garage that can securely transport recreational vehicles while also serving as a flexible living or storage area. Inside, the modern layout includes a large kitchen with a waterfall island countertop, farmhouse sink, pull-out pantry, and abundant storage for extended trips. The main lounge offers 4 heated and massaging recliners positioned toward the entertainment center, creating a relaxing atmosphere after a day of adventure. The front bedroom includes a king-size bed with a residential memory foam mattress, a walk-in closet, and generous underbed storage. Exterior highlights include a 60-gallon fuel station, a 150-gallon freshwater tank, extensive storage compartments, and a durable triple-axle chassis built to support long-distance travel and outdoor exploration with confidence. The 2026 Paradigm 370 FB is a luxury fifth wheel designed to provide spacious accommodations and residential-style comfort for extended travel. Measuring 40 feet 4 inches long, it features 3 slide-outs that create an open and inviting interior. Its distinctive front bath floor plan includes a private bedroom with a king-size bed, offering a comfortable retreat after a day on the road. The kitchen is equipped with a residential-style 19-cubic-foot refrigerator, a 4-burner cooktop, and ample storage for meal preparation and daily living. At the rear, the living area provides generous seating and large windows that fill the space with natural light. Built for longer adventures, the RV offers a 98-gallon freshwater tank, a 106-gallon grey water tank, and a 53-gallon black water tank. Additional features include dual power awnings, a 50-amp electrical system, washer and dryer preparation, and an 18,000-pound GVWR, making it well-suited for comfortable long-distance travel and extended camping experiences. Grand Design Transcend 345DQT is a spacious travel trailer created for families and travelers who enjoy extended camping adventures. At nearly 39 feet long, it offers a roomy interior with sleeping space for up to 6 people. The thoughtfully arranged floor plan provides comfortable areas for relaxing, dining, and everyday living while on the road. A large 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator offers ample food storage, and the tankless water heater supplies hot water whenever needed. Climate control is supported by a powerful 35,000 BTU furnace for added comfort in cooler weather. Water capacities include a 56-gallon freshwater tank, a 117-gallon grey water tank, and a 39-gallon wastewater tank, making it suitable for longer stays. Insulated floors, walls, and roof help maintain a comfortable interior across changing seasons, while the exterior pass-through storage compartment provides plenty of room for camping gear, luggage, and outdoor equipment during every trip. The 2026 Coleman Legacy 2800S UNDECK is a fifth wheel designed to make outdoor living an essential part of every camping experience. Its most distinctive feature is the elevated rear sun deck, providing an open space where travelers can relax, enjoy scenic views, dine outdoors, or spend time with family and friends. Inside, the thoughtfully arranged floor plan offers comfortable living areas that balance functionality with everyday convenience. The kitchen, dining, and lounge spaces are organized to maximize available room, while the separate bedroom enhances privacy and creates a more residential feel. Large windows allow natural light to brighten the interior, adding to the spacious atmosphere. Built for weekend escapes as well as extended trips, the layout encourages a smooth transition between indoor comfort and outdoor enjoyment. By combining a practical interior with a unique entertainment-focused exterior, the 2026 Coleman Legacy 2800 Sun Deck presents a fresh approach to fifth-wheel camping that emphasizes relaxation, flexibility, and memorable adventures in every destination. 2027 Jayco Eagle SLE is a fifth wheel designed to deliver a comfortable camping experience while remaining easier to tow than many larger models. Available in 5 floor plans, the lineup ranges from 29 feet 3 inches to 34 feet 8 inches in length, with the lightest model starting at approximately 7,690 pounds. Inside, the living spaces are arranged to provide a practical balance of comfort and functionality for couples and families alike. A spacious shower with a skylight enhances the bathroom, while integrated MB quartz speakers add quality sound throughout the interior. The RV also features the NUVOH2O water filtration and softening system to improve water quality during travel. Built for year-round adventures, it includes a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, double-layer fiberglass insulation, and a 30,000 BTU furnace. With multiple layouts and thoughtful construction, the Eagle SLE is ready for a wide variety of camping experiences. Wolverine 2027 32JF is a fifth wheel designed to combine practical living space with features that support both short vacations and extended road trips. Measuring 35 feet 11 inches in length, it offers a balanced size that provides roomy accommodations while remaining manageable for towing. The trailer features a 1,730-pound hitch weight, an unloaded vehicle weight of 10,838 pounds, and an impressive cargo carrying capacity of 2,892 pounds, allowing travelers to bring plenty of equipment and personal belongings. Inside, the layout emphasizes efficient organization with storage solutions such as the Vantix Basin Vanity, Vertical Max Bedroom Closet, Slide-Away Bedroom Storage System, Smart Light Closet System, and Tower Back Bathroom Storage. These features help maximize interior space while keeping essentials easily accessible. Designed with functionality and convenience in mind, the Wolverine 32JF offers a versatile environment that supports comfortable camping, organized travel, and memorable adventures across a wide variety of destinations. DRV Mobile Suites 41FKRB is a luxury fifth wheel created for travelers who want the comfort and convenience of a residential-style home while exploring the open road. Its thoughtfully designed rear kitchen floor plan provides a spacious area for cooking, meal preparation, and entertaining, making it a natural gathering place during every trip. The central living area offers ample room for relaxing, while the front bedroom creates a quiet and private retreat for restful nights. Throughout the interior, generous storage compartments help keep personal belongings organized, making the RV well-suited for extended travel. The layout separates the kitchen, dining, living, and sleeping areas to create a comfortable flow that resembles a traditional home. Built with a strong foundation and large overall dimensions, the 41FKRB is designed for long-term adventures and destination camping. Its combination of spacious design, practical organization, and residential comfort makes every journey feel more enjoyable and convenient for travelers. KZ Ridgeway 31 RL is a fifth wheel designed for travelers who want a comfortable living space with practical features for extended adventures. Measuring 35 feet 2 inches long, it offers a spacious rear living layout that creates a relaxing environment for camping and road trips. With an unloaded weight of 10,160 pounds, a 12,995 pound GVWR, and 2,835 pounds of cargo capacity, it provides flexibility for carrying the gear needed for life on the move. Inside, the RV includes a 12 cubic foot refrigerator and a well-planned interior focused on convenience and comfort. Its 76-gallon freshwater tank, 50-gallon grey tank, and 50-gallon waste tank support longer stays, while the 35,000 BTU furnace helps maintain warmth during cooler conditions. Outdoor living is enhanced with 2 awnings that create additional shaded space. Combining smart design, useful capacity, and a balanced footprint, the Ridgeway 31RL offers a versatile setup for travelers seeking comfort wherever the road leads. (2026) Sabre 38 DBL is a large fifth wheel created for travelers who want to bring more people along while still enjoying a comfortable and organized living space. Stretching over 42 feet, it provides a spacious interior designed around family trips, group vacations, and longer stays. The rear area features a private sleeping zone with its own bathroom, while additional beds, loft spaces, and convertible furniture offer flexible accommodations for guests. The main living section focuses on togetherness with a well-equipped kitchen, a central island, and plenty of room for dining and relaxing. Several slide-outs expand the interior, creating a more open atmosphere throughout the RV. Outdoor activities are enhanced with extended awnings and a separate cooking area for enjoying meals outside. Supported by large water tanks, useful storage, and a practical layout, the Sabre 38 DBL delivers a versatile travel experience where comfort, convenience, and family adventures come together in one impressive fifth wheel. Luxe 46 FB is a massive fifth-wheel toy hauler designed for travelers who want luxury, versatility, and extended adventure capability in one impressive package. Measuring 48 feet 2 inches long, it offers a spacious interior with a layout that blends residential comfort and recreational flexibility. The front master suite features a private bathroom, dual sink vanity, and dedicated storage, creating a relaxing retreat on the road. The main living area includes an open kitchen and lounge design with large slide-outs, expansive windows, a hidden television feature, and an electric fireplace. Its adaptable garage area adds another level of functionality with powered bunk beds, convertible seating, and a loft space. Built for long journeys, the RV provides large water capacities and a strong foundation for full-time travel. With its combination of luxury finishes, flexible spaces, and toy hauler capability, the Luxe 46 FB represents a new level of fifth-wheel living for adventure-focused travelers. New Horizons Majestic M433S is a fifth wheel created for travelers who want the comfort and character of a full-time residence while exploring the road. Designed with customization in mind, it offers a variety of layouts ranging from 35 to 47 feet, allowing owners to create a setup that matches their lifestyle. The coach features a strong custom-built chassis, spacious storage areas, premium cabinetry, and a residential-inspired interior design. Built for long-term use, it includes advanced insulation throughout the walls, roof, floors, and slide rooms to support four-season travel. Durable components such as a reinforced suspension system, quality plumbing, and upgraded electrical systems further enhance its reliability. Inside, the attention to detail creates a warm and personalized atmosphere that feels more like a home than a traditional RV. With its combination of craftsmanship, flexibility, and full-time living capability, the Majestic M433S represents a unique approach to luxury fifth-wheel travel for those seeking extended adventures. (2026) 3X393 TBR Open Range is a large fifth wheel designed to bring the comforts of home to families traveling together. With a length of 44 feet 4 inches and sleeping capacity for up to 10 people, it offers an impressive amount of space for group adventures. The unique 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout provides privacy for different members of the family while maintaining a welcoming central living area. The front suite includes a king bed, storage solutions, and washer-dryer preparation, while additional bedrooms and a loft create flexible sleeping options. The main living space features a large entertainment area and a well-equipped kitchen with modern appliances for everyday convenience. Outdoor enjoyment is supported by dual awnings and an exterior kitchen setup. With generous water capacities and a tankless water heater, this fifth wheel is built for longer stays. The 393 TBR combines smart design, spacious accommodations, and family-focused features into a versatile traveling home. 2027 Forest River Wolverine 36BC is a family-focused fifth wheel designed to provide generous space, modern features, and comfortable living for extended adventures. Stretching 43 feet 10 inches long, it offers a large interior with 4 slide-outs, a rear kitchen, bunk beds, a loft area, and a private front bedroom. The spacious kitchen includes a 19 cubic foot refrigerator, residential-style range, dishwasher, and deep pantry, creating a practical setup for preparing meals on the road. The living area adds comfort with a tri-comfort sofa, while the bathroom features a large shower and convenient dual access. The bedroom includes a king-size sleeping system and additional storage for longer stays. Outdoor-ready features include solar charging, automatic leveling, instant hot water, and a wireless rear camera system. With substantial water capacity and a layout designed for families, the Wolverine 36BC creates a versatile travel environment that combines convenience, technology, and adventure-ready functionality. Brinkley Model Z 3200 is a fifth wheel built for travelers who want a spacious and comfortable environment that supports both relaxation and extended adventures. Its well-planned 34-foot 11-inch layout places the kitchen at the center of daily life, creating an ideal space for preparing meals, gathering, and enjoying time on the road. The interior features a cozy lounge area with premium seating, a large entertainment setup, and a flexible dining area that can adapt for meals, work, or casual use. The kitchen combines modern convenience with efficient storage, making it practical for longer stays. The private bedroom includes a king-size bed, generous closet space, laundry preparation, and additional organization options. A spacious bathroom and upgraded exterior features add to the overall comfort and usability of the RV. Designed with a focus on smart space management and residential-inspired living, the Model Z 3200 offers a welcoming fifth-wheel experience for travelers seeking convenience wherever their journey takes them. (2026) Sabre 37 RV Miles is a fifth wheel designed to create a flexible living experience both inside and outside the RV. Stretching 43 feet long, it features 4 slide-outs that expand the interior into a spacious environment for families and travelers. The main living area includes a large sectional sofa, entertainment center, fireplace, and a well-equipped kitchen with modern appliances and generous workspace. A unique rear bonus room adds even more versatility, offering space that can function as a sleeping area, office, storage zone, or family room. The RV can accommodate up to 8 people, making it suitable for group adventures and extended stays. Outside, the retractable patio deck transforms the campsite into an additional living area for relaxing and enjoying the surroundings. With practical water capacities, strong carrying capability, and a creative layout, the Sabre 37 RV Miles delivers a unique combination of comfort, adaptability, and outdoor-focused design for memorable road experiences.